This is the family of KEENBEST Kitchen Shears. I'm going to show you all of these in this video. Each one is purchased separately. Let's unpackage them. So we'll start with these here. That opens up and they are spring-loaded. Okay, there's an opening right here. If you have a bone or something like that, a small bone, you can cut through that nice and easily. Serrated edge over here helps to hold on to things that are slippery. So there's that one. Then we have this style here. This one also has a lock on it and is spring-loaded. So you'd use it kind of like this. Okay, so this is also very similar in design, where you have the opening there, nice and sharp, and the serrated edge right there, like that. It closes up, and the little keeper goes in there. These two are exactly the same. You can get it in black or in green. We'll take the green just to be different. And this one is not spring-loaded, but it also has some other features. First of all, it can come apart for easy cleaning. You can also use just one of them if you want. This has like a scraper thing over here, so you can do that with it. We'll put this back together. And it also has right in here a nut buster, so you can bust a nut in there. Also has a nice little area right there where you can snip stuff. And of course the black ones here are exactly the same. They come apart in the same fashion, etc. They're exactly the same shears, just in black with sort of a brown insert, where this is green with a gray insert. So let's start cutting some things with this. I'll show you these in the same order. We'll open this up. I have some carrots and some celery here. These are baby carrots. That's what was available. You can of course cut meat with this, great for poultry and things like that. Again, very small bones in there. It can cut right through, no problem. Absolutely effortless cutting. We'll do some carrots here. This one's a little bit fatter. Here's a really fat one here. Cut through, no problem. So that's all good. We'll go to the next one here. That's this. We'll unlock it. And the celery. Between the two, the large handles on this one I really like. It's better for my large hands. Easier to grasp and hold. And it's also kind of the other hook design like that because of the way you're going to hold it. Obviously, if you're left-handed, it's the same difference, but I'm right-handed, so that cuts no problem. Absolutely effortless cutting through all of these. Here's a nice fat one here, just like that, no problem. And as far as the other ones here that are non-spring loaded, these are your more traditional style ones. They work well. Really, it all depends on what you are accustomed to and what you want to use. This works just as well, really. And of course the black ones in these are identical. So all of these shears from KEENBEST are absolutely excellent and work very well. Really, you just need to pick the one that is going to be best for your particular use case. A lot of us have shears already. They're probably dull. we're probably most used to these. They work. There's nothing wrong with them at all. The spring-loaded ones are nice. This kind of fits your hand. It's ergonomic in that regard and worked very well. These seem really nice and strong. And my favorite out of all of them are these with the large handles. But again, that's going to be based upon what you're most accustomed to and what's going to work best for you. So you'd want to really figure out what you'd be most comfortable with. Again, these two are spring-loaded, while this one has the nut buster in it, so if you are going to be doing some nuts there, this would be definitely something to consider instead. So all around, all of the shears work fantastic without any problem. All nice and sharp, all work well, and I'd be happy to have any of these in my kitchen. So once again, this was the KEENBEST family of kitchen shears. All of these are available for separate purchases. I will put links in the video description where you can see these in the very order that I displayed them here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.